And now about the situation in the Chechnya Republic. According to reports from both sources in the Temporary Council of Chechnya and from official Grozny, today in several regions of the Republic, combat activities began between the armed formations of Джохара Дудаева and opposition forces. Sources in the Temporary Council report that after bloody clashes last Thursday evening in Urus-Mартане, today combat began between the opposition and Джохара Дудаева armed units near the populated point Долинское, which is north of Грозный. Correspondent of ИТАР-ТАСС reports from Grozny that over the city today in the afternoon, patrolling began by several aircraft of the government forces. According to certain reports, armed clashes are underway in the city Argun between the opposition regiment of Ruslana Labazanova and Джохара Дудаева supporting unit of Шамиля Басаева, which previously had participated in the war in Abkhazia. Today in Урус-Мартане, a meeting is being held whose participants ask that decisive actions be taken against official Grozny. The Minister of Defense of Russia, Pavel Grachov, stated today to Interfax that the Russian army did not and will not influence the internal situation in Chechnya. He also implied that the destabilization of the situation in Chechnya is the personal fault of Джохара Дудаева. Today, official Grozny offered all Russian journalists to leave the Republic within 24 hours. As a correspondent of ИТАР-ТАСС was told in the apparatus of the government of Джохара Дудаева, such a decision is motivated by the clear prejudice of Russian mass media in their reports from Chechnya. In the statement distributed in Grozny, it's noted that the official authorities do not guarantee the safety to those journalists who will not submit to this decision. Correspondents from other countries, however, are permitted to remain in Chechnya. As a correspondent of Interfax learned, at the urgent session in the cabinet of Джохара Дудаева, they're examining a version of response blows to the Temporary Council tanks moving through the area. It's not excluded that combat aviation will be deployed.